Why I like dividend investing as a strategy. What if I were to tell you that there was an investment strategy that allowed you to ignore all the media noise and all that stuff when markets are down? So the last week the market's been down, at least they've been shaky. Japan was down one day and then up, and the US was down, the European indexes, etc. With this came all the media noise, the newspapers saying, oh, the bull market is dead and we're heading to a bear market for a bunch of years forward. In the past, I used to have everything in index funds. This always made me freak out when the markets were down like 25% or so, like what happened in COVID, right? In recent years, I've been drifting more and more towards dividend investing as a strategy. I like it because I can focus more on increasing my dividends that I get, the cash flow that I get from these investments each month or each year, instead of being so focused on the total net worth of my investments or my portfolio. It has gotten much easier for me to not act wrong, aka sell, when markets go down, and instead focusing on maybe buying some more assets if I can at a lower price. So how do I do it? I buy stocks that raise their dividends each year, and all I do is keep an eye on them if they keep on increasing or if they cut their dividends. So it's a buy and hold strategy basically. Then I also have index funds that gives out dividends. There are also something called ETFs in the market, which is basically like an index fund that gives out dividends. An ETF is traded on the market like a stock, so it can be traded in real time. Some choose to have a whole portfolio in these ETFs that can be purchased for a very low fee. Now, a really good thing with the dividend investing, I think, is that it's fun. I think it's fun to see your dividends and your cash flow rise and getting more and more and more. It's a really powerful tool, wealth building tool, they say. And even though I'm not nearby wealthy today, I can easily see that it's a powerful tool to build a fortune if you're patient. It's also fun to compare what the dividends I receive can buy. So for example, how much can the dividend from that stock buy? For example, can it buy like a cinema visit? A cool thing when you buy the dividend stocks is that you never pay any fee except the fee that you pay when you buy the stock, but then there's nothing until you sell, if you sell ever. You can just keep collecting the dividends forever if they keep as long as they keep rising. So those were a couple of reasons why I like dividend investing as a strategy. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have any investment strategy that you like.